One of the best things about VR is watching immersive videos. It creates the illusion that you are actually in the video. Well, today I'm going to show you how to stream movies and videos from your phone to your Meta Quest for free. So let's get started. First of all, open the Meta Store on your Oculus Quest and download this app. After it finished, open the Google Play Store on your phone and download this app. It is a free app that lets you share your media files on your local network. After you downloaded this app, open it. You'll see something like that. Just tap on the plus icon. This will let you add a media path, which is the folder where you have your VR videos. Tap on this icon and browse to the location where you have your videos. For example, I have mine in this folder. Now select the video and tap here. You can add as many videos as you want by repeating the same process. After you add your videos, tap on the play icon at the top right corner. You can see that it's running. One important thing to note, make sure your phone and your VR headset are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, they won't be able to communicate with each other. Now, put on your Oculus Quest and open the Deo VR app. Tap on the local files icon. Now click here. This will show you the devices that are sharing media files on your network. Tap on the video that you want to watch, and it will start streaming. You can use the controls on the bottom of the screen to pause and play. If you want to watch your video in normal mode, you don't need to do anything else. Just enjoy your streaming. But if you want to watch your video in immersive, there are a lot of options that you can choose from, depending on how your video was recorded or encoded. For example, if your video is in side-by-side format, you need to select this option. Well, you can adjust the video according to your preferences. That's how you can stream videos from your phone to your VR. It's also very simple and convenient, and it works with any video format. You can watch videos in immersive, or in any other mode that you like. So, this is the best way that I use to stream movies and videos from my phone to my VR for free. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.